Hi, how are you? Welcome to the course. Today we are going to learn a lot of things. We are going to learn the introduction to Wi-Fi hacking. My name is Titus. Now we are going to start by how wireless networks work, important settings to change on your router, how to install Kali Linux, which is the machine that is used to hack. We are going to learn more things like useful Linux commands with examples, perform a denial of service attack or the DOS. We are also going to learn how to hack wireless networks, that is include WEP, WPA, WPA2. We are also going to learn about aircrack NG, Wireshark, Wi-Fi, Crunch, Cowparty, Parrot, River, and many more. We are also going to learn how to create an Evo Twin access point. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Remember, these skills are only used for ethical hacking. Otherwise, you should not ask me for anything. If you are caught, don't ask me about anything. Now, let's start. We are going to start with how the wireless networks work. Now, see these notes. Introduction to wireless networks. You can see wireless network is a network set up by using radio signals frequency to communicate among computers and other network devices. This provides freedom of movement and the ability to extend the applications to different parts of a building, city, or nearly anywhere in the world. Sometimes it's also referred to as the Wi-Fi network or WLAN. We are going to see this on our video next. In 1997, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering created the first WLAN standard. Therefore, if you are a serious student, you should be light in these notes because you need the understanding of the deal. It is a WLAN. Now, to our next thing, you have a table which you can see there about the wireless standards, the yearly list, the band frequency, the maximum data transfer, the channel bandwidth. You can see the 5 GHz, the 2.4 GHz, and the both. You can see 2.4 and 5 GHz, and other many things. So, wireless signals. What are wireless signals? A wireless signal are electromagnetic waves traveling through the air. These are formed when electric energy travels through a piece of metal, for example, a wire antenna. These waves can travel some distance depending on the strength of the energy. There are different types of Wi-Fi signal. We have the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency, and we also have a 5 GHz frequency. It cannot pass through walls and windows as well as the 2.4 GHz band signal, so the range of 5 GHz technology is often shorter. These two types of Wi-Fi are called frequency bands. Therefore, if I ask you the types of wireless networks, you should know what they are. Now, we have the wireless channels, and a wireless channel is a specific division of frequency within a specific wireless band. If you are building networks in the United States, you can only use channel 1 through 11. Channel 1, 6, 11 are the most frequency used for 2.4. The 5 GHz frequency band is much wider and has more channels, fortunately. This channel do not overlap, so you don't have to worry about picking non-standard channels like in the 2.4 band. Therefore, you should create this through 1, 6 and 11 because they do not overlap. If I ask you again why you should use the 1, 6 and 11 band, you should know the answer because they do not overlap. A wireless. So let us go to the next thing, the radio interference. If you use a 2.4 GHz router and live in a densely populated area, your neighbor's Wi-Fi network could
Please watch for part 2.